Hey guys, welcome back to another Emma's episode. Don't mind my dogs. I've got a bunch of them. I have like 9 of them, so I can't control them. Let them be. A bunch of you guys have been talking about my new skincare regimen on the DMs and not on my comment box, but God is watching you guys. Anyway, yes, so I have reduced the amount of products that I use on my face. Well, not products. I think I have substituted from removing the steps and added more products, I guess. I don't know, we'll figure that out along the way. So this video is to show you guys, like, once I come home in the evening, the regimen that I usually do for my face. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my Mina gel makeup remover. So I just add like, and it's almost done, add like a lot of not a lot, but quite a number, because this is what I'm going to use all over my face. Then I have my, remember the time these things were like in fashion, like everybody had them? So I usually make it a bit damp, yeah, and just because I feel wet wipes are a bit too rough on my face, yeah. I actually literally feel the pain like constantly having to wipe it off. So that's just a step to remove the makeup, okay? Then I have my cleanser. And then it comes with its little machine, okay? It's like a little massager. So I turn that on, then just massage it through. I then add a bit of water on the face, yeah. Okay? So switch that off. And then wash my face. So I have this formula I bought from Sugar Punch, right? It's a snail repair. I've used it for a couple of days and it's pretty awesome. So you know that mucus from the snails, eh? This is what we use. It's actually very good for the skin. So a few drops. Obviously, after a serum, you have to moisturize. So there are 2 moisturizers that I use. I have this that I bought from Beauty Bar Kenya. It is face cream by ER Organics. Yeah, okay. So I usually use like, not much, huh? Then, like the last, this is actually it's like a male product, guys who usually do sports, but it has really worked for me. So I usually use like a few pumps. That's like more than enough. And it's also from South Korea, okay? Also the snail serum is a South Korean product. The last thing that I use is a sleeping mask for my lips, yeah? This one in particular, please don't tell me how to pronounce it because the Kenyan in me can't make it. Yeah, so I just use like this much. That's more than enough. Yeah, you'll wake up, your lip, in fact it's way too much, gosh. I usually wake up and my lips feel so like they're full. This is also a South Korean product, by the way. Is it? I think so. Or maybe not. I could be wrong. Oh yeah, it is. And after that, I go to bed. So I have gone to bed. That was me going to bed. Anyway, guys, till next time, peace. If you have any questions, which you guys naturally never do, but if you do, just in case, hit me up. Till next time.